In the heart of Brasshold, a city powered by steam and ingenuity, there existed a legend about the Clockwork Guardian. This mechanical sentinel was built centuries ago by the city's greatest inventor, Aldous Fairbright, to protect Brasshold from any menace. The Guardian stood in the city square, motionless and seemingly lifeless, but there was an unspoken belief that it would awaken in times of dire need. Brasshold was a symphony of clanking gears and hissing steam, with people bustling about their daily lives, unaware that danger was approaching. A group of rogue inventors, led by the vengeful Alistair Vane, schemed to overthrow the city's council and claim Brasshold's technological secrets. Vane, once a protege of Aldous Fairbright, had been ousted for his dangerous experiments and now sought revenge. One evening, under the cover of a thick, smoggy night, Vane and his followers initiated their plan. They sabotaged the city's main generator, causing a blackout that plunged Brasshold into chaos. Amid the confusion, Vane's group made their way to the council's chamber, intent on seizing power. As panic spread through the city, a soft hum began emanating from the Clockwork Guardian. Slowly, its gears and cogs started whirring, and its eyes glowed with an azure light. The citizens gathered, watching in awe as their legendary protector came to life. The Guardian marched through Brasshold with a purpose, its presence a beacon of hope. It confronted Vane and his rogues at the council chamber, its powerful frame gleaming in the dim light. Despite their advanced weaponry, the rogues were no match for the Guardian's might and precision. Vane, consumed by rage and desperation, made a final assault on the Clockwork Guardian. Yet, his efforts were in vain. The Guardian's design was flawless, a testament to Aldous Fairbright's genius. With a final, decisive strike, the Guardian incapacitated Vane, restoring peace to Brasshold. The city rejoiced, not only for the defeat of Alistair Vane, but also for the awakening of their mechanical guardian. The Guardian returned to its pedestal, gradually powering down until it was motionless once more. Though silent, it now embodied a renewed symbol of protection and resilience for the people of Brasshold, a reminder that even in the darkest times, hope and ingenuity could prevail.